Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes blue screen error code 0xc0000221. Your PC device needs to be repaired. Fix. Boot with Windows bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type edit, find Windows installation drive letter, in my case Windows installation drive letter is C. Type boottrack space, /fixboot, if any error, follow this command bootsex space, /nt60 space, sys. Type boottrack space, /fixmbr. Type list disk. Star under GPT indicates the system partition type is GPT or UEFI. FAT32 indicates the system volume, select volume 2. Assign letter equal to M. Type attrib bcd-h-r-s. Type ren bcd-40.old. Type boottrack space, /rebuild bcd. Type bcd boot space, Windows installation drive letter in my case C drive colon / Windows space, /s space, assigned drive letter colon space, /f space, UEFI. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.